Hi, welcome to Miss.legomaster's Show Legos. Today we're going to be building flying slippers. See? So what you'll need is a slipper light piece and a regular block. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to take the brick and put the slipper on top. Then you're going to take this brick and put the slipper on top. And you can add fire to the bottom, you can add what you like to it, and be creative. Now, thank you for watching Miss.legomaster's Show of Legos. Now you gotta watch all my other videos, please, and watch out for the ones that are coming next. Don't forget to tell your friends and family all about it, and like my video. Thanks.